Great, it is May 20th, 2020. We are here doing an experiment that's been kind of hot right now about the whole making your own lava lamp. So we got this idea. We saw it on TikTok. However, I cannot link that to this video because I lost it shortly after I watched it. Anyway, but from memory, these are the ingredients. We have to have lots of umming. We have to have vinegar. It didn't recommend the apple cider because I'm assuming with the clear vinegar you could see results better, but it's what I have, so why not live outside of the box? We have vegetable oil. We have some measuring spoons, food coloring, baking soda, and that was just me jotting down things from what I remembered. And then we have a glass flask from my science class through college. And then a little funnel. We won't use that for everything, but almost everything. And then I suggest, yeah, my daughter already made a mess, but some sort of cookie sheet or tray or whatnot that has a lip on it, just in case it's, you know, I don't know, goes over, it's a mess, whatever. Then it's easy to rinse off and you left your table all right. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and start. We need 1/4 to 1/3 of the vinegar. So I figured about 100, 150 maybe. I think that will work. So pour it. So that's what the funnel is for. We won't do it for the food coloring, but we will do it for the vinegar and the oil. So to about 150 milliliters. Or cc's, depending on.
That's fine.
All right, so
That is way more.
I don't know if he quite knows how to work the wow.
You do.
Wow, so I'm gonna go ahead and put just a wee bit back. And see what I mean about mess? It's a good thing to have a tray. All right.
It's starting to bubble.
Yeah, because you were trying to do before the experiment was finished. Honey, these things drain slowly. It's not just straight through. A little bit more.
There.
Let's see. Put it flat. It is a mess. I am so sorry.
Okay.
Anyway, so you need to actually take the funnel out. Seal. You should always pick up. Okay, excuse me. Take the funnel out. Yeah. You can put it on the tray because it's going to be wet. Seal back up. You should always pick up after yourself as you're going along. It makes cleanup a lot easier. So we're going to, okay, it's sealed. Put aside. Now, Tiana here is going to take the oil.
Wait, yeah, shouldn't we?
Oh, wait. Nope. We have to do the food coloring.
No.
Remember? In our video we watched, we used the food coloring. Because what's going to happen is the baking soda is going to sink down to the bottom, and it's going to bubble all that stuff up.
Oh, wait, what about the water?
We don't need water. Not for this one. So I would just put, and we used a dark food coloring because of the fact that we're using apple cider vinegar. Obviously, you're not going to see the yellow dye, whereas blue, it's going to be a lot different. So go ahead and put some drops in.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
And if not, we can also do it the other way too. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
So you can see it's kind of
Slowly.
like mushroom cloud type in there. Anyway, so then we put the funnel back in.
Sorry about the noise. It's just our dogs.
Dogs are probably getting into something. If it ain't, excuse me, if it's not kids, it's dogs or pets. Anyway, you do. Okay, sneezes are contagious. Contagious. Anyway, who's doing the oil?
Tiana's. I'm doing the. Wait, I think Tiana should do the baking soda.
We'll go in step. Vinegar, food coloring, oil, baking soda. No.
Okay, how much?
So at this point, and you have to go slow to let it drain because it doesn't just go straight in there. It takes a little time. So I would go just above
Do we want the
250. No, we do not. It's okay if they bark. So I have Shih Tzu puppies and
Okay,
they're
it's just above
so I would
that.
say just above 250, maybe a little more, but you have to go slow. See how it's all separating from itself? Ew, that looks so cool.
Oh,
Careful.
my. Oh, just
Yep, he did it again. But this time we're gonna have to deal with it because can't exactly put that back. So it is super cool. Look at it. Aha. That's neat. Okay, so we don't have a lot of room to work with because Elijah didn't leave us with a lot of room. A big scoop, preferably. I'm gonna go ahead and
it bended.
okay, it'll do that. So I'm gonna hold this above here so you can get it in there better. There you go. So put it in. Wait for it. And
Wait, I want to see.
so it's gonna bubble over because we have a lot here. But look what it's doing. Look, it's gonna be a volcano right over the top. Ew, it's so cool. Good thing we got a tray. Wow. So it's like a lava lamp. It's so cool. And then all the noise.
Experience.
Isn't that cool? And granted, you can't see it as good as you would have seen it if it was, you know, through or with
Whoa.
clear vinegar. But still pretty cool. So I noticed that like lumps of it is coming out.
Oh, it's,
Well, it's better now. It's more mixed, but it was coming out as lumps.
no, I meant the smell.
Look, it's all bubbling over here too.
I want to put this in my
So this is how we make a lava lamp / volcano.
It's starting to calm down.
Oh, it's like really. I can't. The light is so poor. Let's see. Nope, you can't see through that bad boy. Okay.
I'll mix it up.
No, it's okay. Makes me wonder how long it could go like that. You know.
Finger.
Yeah, it's kind of stinky because vinegar is known to be strong. So.
Can I put this in my room?
No, you're not putting
it's
your in your room.
glass.
It's glass and it does.
I already told
Vinegar
you
is
that.
stinky.
I already told you that, Tiana. I want to put more.
Baking soda?
Yeah.
You can try.
It's like,
I wouldn't. I don't know if I'd put a whole. Ooh, there's some more in there. Look. I just put some in. Actually, I just put. Okay. All right. Never mind.
that's a lot
I
more.
was kidding. She didn't listen. It might not do the same thing because it was supposed to drop down. Oh,
It's clogged.
yeah, it sure is. It's supposed to drop down to the bottom.
But going.
Woo! Here we go again.
I am going to do this. Why did it let me do that?
That's all right. I just think it's crazy how. Okay, that's enough, son.
Oh, it moves by itself.
Okay, I think you're killing it actually. So I mean, yes, you get it. You do still get a reaction out of it by putting more in it, but it seems to be less of a reaction.
Tiana, no.
Not a big one. Not a big one. Just. Yeah, she didn't listen. So,
That's all.
and I don't know that see. Yeah, it's coming to the point now where it's more or less matching itself.
It kind of looks like juice, but do not drink this.
Yeah, and it smells. You would never want to drink that. Unless you like.
But look
Like-
at that. Look at that. Look. Point the camera at that. That looks like juice. It's like soda or something.
Yeah, we don't.
It looks like
Oh,
oil.
look, you've got oil.
Which is
Even separated on our little thing. So, I would say it was a success. I don't think it's going to do much of anything else.
Can we keep it like that? I want to keep it.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to have that sitting around because it'll stink.
No, please. Can we
So
keep
you can
it?
see at the bottom where the vinegar and the dye are set. So from like here to here is the oil. And then
What if we
from
sell it?
this point down is...
What if we sell it?
I'm not selling it.
Why?
Alright, so we're gonna do a little bit more and then but you kept adding baking soda to it. I don't think it's gonna make much. What if we did this? Oh, there it is. I saw it.
It's like its own thing. What if we put
not
magnets
mixing in.
over it and it makes
Nope,
fish?
it's refusing. And the reaction is basically over. So all the baking soda has activated. So anyway, it was fun. I think it actually might have came out a little better, Elijah. A little better than the video I saw. Just because it is messy. We kind of pushed the boundaries. We used different vinegar.
That's weird.
Anyway.
It's separating right here.
Oh,
like-
in the pan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Look, you're getting a definite line in here now. See?
Look.
Oh,
So why does
Very
that
dark.
smell like food?
what? Like salt and vinegar? Maybe?
Look. It smells like a type of food. Look. It's separating every time I do that. Wait. Give me it.
You gotta make a channel.
I want to make a channel for.
Alright, okay. Alright. So, they're gonna play around with this for a little bit longer. I'm not gonna leave you guys watching them for a whole ton of time. So, anyway, that is all, folks. It definitely was a success, and it was definitely fun. Anyway, what do you think?
Mom, look.
What do you think, Tiana? I know you could scoop up the oil and put it on the vinegar. Okay, what do you think?
It was cool.
Elijah, what do you think?
Awesome.
All right. Well, at that note, let's say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.